need to figure. I need to figure a way to make this less squeaky. The answer is shock mount, but I need to buy that. I haven't bought it. Hello, Shrine. So, didn't manage to do yesterday's one, which is kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. Yeah, it's a bit disappointing that we didn't manage to finish it. If I have time, I'll do it today, but I don't think I have. I am quite busy recently and today. Is the stream working? I'm getting mixed details. I think it's working. Is it? And why are you working? Okay, it is. And I know the sound of just water in my mouth is just so nice. I tried the waterfall dish yesterday. And like a baby, I spilled all over myself. Not a very appealing look. But anyway, let's get started. Give me a second while I set up my setup. Today, I spent most of my time trying to get trying to fix the RX 580. I opened it, I cleaned it, I dusted it, and basically it dies whenever there's any sort of heavy load. So that kind of sucks. Took longer than I would like to debug, not debug, but try to get it working, and it didn't end up working. So I contacted a guy on Carousel, which is where I sold the thing. And unfortunately, the guy is not in Singapore. So, or rather, he's currently on a holiday, I think. So, it's like, well, it's okay. Just wait until you're back. But he was very apologetic. He was like asking, oh, dude, check that, do this. I'm sorry about that. And he said he believed me. Here's to hope that everything works out. You never know. But it was a bit annoying. Not really. The fact that it's not working is very annoying. But I want to get this done by today, so I can give it to my sister for her like birthday gift / Christmas gift. But for this, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, but I'm gonna try to gather some data on what's happening with the card before I give it to my sister. So I'll have to swap it in again and try to figure things out. No, I'll try to have to swap it in again and get more data, which is a bit annoying, but it is what it is. So what happens is that whenever at first boot, the card is fine, but the moment any kind of heavy load happens, the card just dies. And it doesn't even need to be a heavy load, super heavy load. Like when I was installing drivers and it was turning on and off, it would just die. And what happens is that the power gets cut to the card, which is very weird. I guess I shouldn't. I'm talking right now, so I'll just come to here. Power gets cut from the card, which is very weird. And the fan stops spinning. And when you reboot the computer, the card has total loss of power, which is very weird. The fans don't spin at all. So typically when you turn on a computer, even with a quiet graphics card, it will spin, the fans will spin for a bit and then maybe die down. None of that was happening. It was not detecting, the motherboard was not detecting any graphics card. So when I'll boot up AnyDesk, because it would still boot, but if I try to connect to the computer through AnyDesk, which I have set up because I remote into this PC previously a lot, it will not detect the graphics card. It will just detect Intel HD graphics, which is the telltale sign for this motherboard that it doesn't detect any graphics card, because Intel HD graphics doesn't get activated on this motherboard unless there is no graphics card. It's pre-built stuff. It's annoying. Yeah, it's actually really annoying because when I was Hackintoshin this guy, I wanted to have both Intel QuickSync and my NVIDIA graphics card, and you can't. The moment you plug in an NVIDIA graphics card, it's like NVIDIA. The moment you do CPU graphics, it's no. The moment you plug out a CPU, no, what? The moment you plug out a GPU, then Intel graphics shows up, which is very annoying. So yeah, the only way I got it to work again was to reset the power supply by plugging out the by either changing the power supply cable or just pulling out the power cable, pressing and holding the power button to drain all the power, plugging it back in, and then it will come back up. And that was my preliminary testing results. So yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Yeah, I don't want to talk about it. I want to talk about it, but it's frustrating because I just want to get it done, and because that is a bit more on a tight time schedule. It's really frustrating. Okay, what's another thing I want to talk about for this challenge 12? I think what I can do is that I need to start saving the logs, the steps taken, and then pass it down. And the moment it says, hey, this is the similar pattern, or I'm going somewhere that was been visited before somehow, not visited before, but like this path is similar, to just cut off that early. I actually haven't looked into Reddit to see what other people's solutions are. I've been insanely busy. Yesterday I had a night out with friends, but I was planning stuff, so it's going to be I'll try to see if I have time after this, but I don't think I have. I will probably do it another day. But that being said, this seems to be Advent of Code seems to be moving more towards big old high skill stuff, so that's going to be fun, and it's a different kind of mindset to go in. Last time previously I was just like, this solution works, so we just go with it. But now it seems like I need to be very careful on whether whatever I'm building will scale. All right, we climbed the hill. Ooh, we didn't, and try contacting the elves. However, you instead receive a signal you aren't expecting. Uh-oh, a distress signal. Your handheld device must still not be working properly. Maybe because we haven't fixed it. Never mind. The packets from the distress signal got decoded out of order. You need to reorder the list of packets, your puzzle input to decode the message. Your list consists of a pair of brackets, as so, and pairs are separated by a blank line. Huh? You need to identify how many pair of packets are in the right order. For example, 1131, 1151, 1234. What? Okay, I don't get it. Okay, packet data consists of lists and integers. Okay, each list starts with a bracket, each ends with a end bracket, and contains 0 or more comma separated CSV. Each integers or other lists. Okay. Each packet is always a list and appears on its own line. So this is a packet. Just like 9, or this is a packet. When comparing two values, the first value is called left and the second value is called right. If both values are integers, the lower integer should come first. If the left integer is lower than the right integer, that's correct, right? Yeah. That means they're not in the right order. Okay. If both values are lists, compare the first value of each list, then the second value, and so on. Okay, so for lists comparing, for comparing lists, it's the number of items, right? The list runs out. Compare the first value of each list, then the second value, and so on. If the list runs out of items first, the items are in the right order. If the right list runs out of items and they're not in the right order, if the lists are the same length and no comparison makes a decision, continue checking to the next part of the input. Okay. If exactly one value is an integer. Okay. Convert the integer to a list which contains the integer. What? If exactly one value is an integer. Like this? Convert the integer to a list which contains the integer as its convert the integer to a list which contains the integer as its only value. And then retry the comparison. For example, if comparing this and this, convert the right. Oh, okay, gotcha. Gotcha. Hey, so let's take a look at this and see. So for this, it is not in the right order because it should be 1 1 1 1. It should be 1 on the way in 3. This same here. This is left side. This is correct because the left is less length is shorter than this. This one is converted to both, and then we try a comparison. Then it should be the same, right? Because both are lists. Oh, it seems so. 9. This is in order. This is. I don't know how to handle this. I guess it will compare this inside. This I'm not sure. 4 4 4 4. These are the same, so they are in order. This in left side is less count, so this one's the same. This is in order. This should be in order. This should be in order. This is in order because they're empty, I think. For this, geez. Okay, one. Oh, okay, we have to go inner first, right? Oh boy. So this one ends here. Right, so this is in order. I don't know about how to handle the outer. Yeah, how do we handle nested? Not sure how to handle nested. Okay, let's take a look. Compare 1 to 1. Huh? What? 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 3 versus 5. Why did it not bother the other 2 ones? Okay, so it's not going based on length, it's going based on. Oh wait, it's comparing. Oh, it's comparing these 2 packets. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Right. So we compare this and this and this. So you compare int 1, 1 1. That's 1 versus 1. That's correct. 2 3 4. That so the left side is 2 versus 4. Oh, so we convert it and then do the same comparison. It's not the length. Gotcha, this is gonna be annoying. Passing this is going to be a bit annoying. Right side liner of items. Yeah. Right side liner of items. Oh. Alright, this is gonna be a pain. So 1 to 1, so that's the first item. And so for this, we're comparing 2 to 2. That's fine. 3 4 5 6 was the 3. Oh my gosh. Okay, 3 to 3. 4 5 6 was the 4 6. 1 4 4 4 5 6 7 0 5 6 7 5 6 7 5 6 0. Okay, I kind of get it. Let's see how big the input is. Jeez. That's not the worst. This is not the worst. This one shouldn't care too much on sizes. We shouldn't care about big O as much. It's just a lot of passing of things to be in the right data structure so things can be compared. So my idea is that The advantage is because in Python, the list can contain multiple different things. That makes it easier. So it can either, let me open a new plane. We can pass the things. I'm thinking how I want to pass it. We should want to have the end result be a list. Each result should be a list. And then I want every item in the list should be either int or a list of ints, or a list, yeah. And handling this conversion should be done on the fly. Conversion should be done on the fly, and in order to pass it, I think the easiest way to pass it, honestly, is to just pass it through JSON, a JSON formatter. JSON formatter might pass it the easiest, because that should know how to handle like lists and stuff like that. Yeah, that should be able to handle lists. Then when it goes to the comparison of each list, we just iterate through each list and then check based on the comparison, and then we sometimes need to nest it. If it's a list, it needs to call another function that goes deeper in and checks if it's in the right order. So my question is, can a JSON formatter know how to handle something like this? Because it should be able to. So I'm gonna import JSON. I think JSON will be able to pass it. Right, so I'm gonna put test input. I'm just gonna put test input first. It's just easier. Right, okay. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm thinking I want to, oof. Right. So this is our input list equals passing input. We're going to test input dot split lines, and for I line in enumerate, no, we do in range of input list. I want to start at 0 and stop at that, and I want to step at 2, right? Because then it will 0, 1, 2. No, it should be 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. Put the link up there. So that should give us it should be like, okay, we go here, we start here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we can automatically get we can just immediately get like what is A, what is B in that sense. So comparison list. Oh yeah, how do you want to compare it? We can compare it on the fly. Yeah, it might be easy to compare it on the fly. So what I want to do here, wait, what do we need to do? What's the end result we need to give? Which are the indexes of the pairs that are actually in the right order? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, right. But that's fine then. Ooh, that's annoying. So I need to put do we start at 1? Yeah, we start at 1. Okay. Index. No. Index gonna be 1. Then index. Oops. Index. Let's do it in here. Index no plus equals 1. And put comment here. Use for keeping track of which one we are passing at the moment. For the final result. Which is being passed of which is correct for the final result. Okay. So comparison list. Do you want to pass it on? So anyway, I want to I want A to be a list. I want A and B to be a list. Can I not do that? Okay, fine. So I want A to be a list, I want B to be a list. So it needs to pass it. So I need to have a define function to pass the both inputs. So I'm going to define what's this called? This is packet parser. And we're going to take an input which is a string, and I want this to return a list. I'm not gonna define. Let's keep it easy. We will. I want this to be a list, and it can be either an int or a list of an int. Is it unhappy? Yeah, because nothing is returned right now. Fine. Return a list. It can also be a list of none. Oops. What the heck? Just gonna return this right now. Are you not happy with that? Too many arguments. List with the 1 but received 3. What? Oh. Sorry. Wait, no, it's correct. Why is it not liking that? I do this, is it happy? Huh? Can I do that? Yeah. Can I? Yeah, it works. What the heck? Eh? We can, right? I'm surprised. Wait, let me remove this. Oh, that works. Okay. Whatever. Actually, this won't work. I need to define a type. Can I not define type? Without going a class. I don't want to make another class. Type alias, yeah. Right, okay. Packet equals list of int. List of, wait, really? Int or none or packet. I can't define itself. Fair enough. Okay. Then is packet equals list of int or none or packet t. I don't think this works. I may not be able to recursively hint it. Oh, what if you do this? Int or none or no matter what, it's gonna stop somewhere. I don't think I can do recursive types. Recursive type hints. Yeah. Oh, you can. This is not no, it's just Python. So you can use itself to hint. So I should be able to do this. Or packet, right? Do I put this? It seems fine. It seems fine. So, okay, cool to know. Apparently it needs brackets. Oh, what if I do this? Nope. I don't know why this is not. This is not a capital. No. I don't know what's the difference. Oh, we'll just keep it as that. Okay. Alright, so we need to pass it. I've been taking my time. I want to see if I can use JSON and pass it. JSON dot. It's been a while. Decoder. What can I do with you? Let's just Google it. I don't really want to read through the code. I know I can use a Copilot. Don't really want to do that right now. JSON.loads, okay. I don't think it will. Really, it's fine with that. Okay. Let's print to A. Oh wait, no. Right. Alright, put this. Oh. B equals packet parser. Put this. I plus 1. Then I'll print A. Copy that. I'm actually really annoyed how I can't yank properly. Sorry for that. That was dumb. I want to do this first. I want to see if it can pass it properly. There is a high chance that it can't. Right. Oh. So let's take a look. 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2. This one passed fine. The one I'm confused if it will pass properly is this. So 1 to 1. This whole ass thing. This is this whole ass thing. Yeah, so it seems to immediately like stop once it's right side ran out of items. So it was on order. So okay, that's our passer. Pretty chill processor. Right now we need to see which is in the right order. So we now need to be able to, now we pass both. We need to be able to figure if it is in order or not. So we're gonna define a new function. Check packet order. We're gonna take in A and we're gonna be, have it up A. Can I do this? Okay. Does it take up A as a packet? No, it doesn't. Okay, fine. We'll define that as a packet. And I think that's, we don't need anything else. We just need that. And I want to return bool. And let me just return false so it stops yelling at me. Right, so for I in range len A. I think we can do a size comparison first, right? Because if one side is, if right side runs out of items first, make sure that yeah, we can compare the how many items first, I think. So for example, do length check first. So if len of A is bigger, wait, let's not put A, let's put right, because I'm gonna get confused. Wait, no. Yeah, left. We have right and left, right? So this one is the... The first value is called left, okay. Let's call that refactor. I need to go back to PyCharm. I'm not, how did I refactor properly? No, rename. I want to change it to left. Perfect. I want 1 cm to right. So left always comes first, and okay, that's easier. That's just easier to handle. So if the length of left side is it's not equal to the length of the right. If length of so if the length of the actually no, it only happens if one side is okay, so we don't need to do this because it's only one side can be shorter than the other. It not matter. I think the right, as long as the left side has more items than the right side, that's fine. As long as the length of the left is less than, if length of the left is less than length of the right, then return true, false. Why are you not happy? Oh. If the length of the no, if the length of the right is so length should always have more items. No, length. If left has more items than right. Gosh dang it, I hate it. Sometimes the logic confuses me. If the right side runs out of items, yeah, the inputs are not in the right order. So if that happens, just return false. So this is 3. This is 4. Yeah, then return false. Right. So that's we do length check. That's an easy way of just getting it out. Then if that's not the case for I in range of, this means that the right is always more. So we'll do right. Why are you not happy? Why is it not happy for this? The parameter declaration of the left is obscured by declaration of the same name. Do we have left and right? Where? Eh? Only here, right? It should be fine. I don't know why it's complaining. Will you give a... No, I don't want to suppress it. Oh, weird. Okay, we've figured that out. It should be fine. So the first thing we want to do is we need to do a length check. We need to do a length check here. Then once it passed that length check, which is okay, if I is I plus wait. If I is more than equals to the length of left, return true. Right, okay. Because that's we can't compare anymore. So I'm gonna remove this. We'll actually never need to come here. We should never come here. I'm gonna print should never come here. Just as a safety net right now. Right, okay. After doing a length check, we need to compare both items. and you're gonna do left item equals left I. Okay, now it's not complaining. I don't know why it's like that. Okay, right item equals right I. If type of left item, oops, equals int. Is it passing it properly actually? Shoot, I didn't check that. I'm gonna put this here for a sec because I need to check here. I just realized I don't know what the type is. Can I tell the type from the debugger? I'm not sure. Not input list, sorry. I think it's an int. It seems to be able to pass it properly into an int, so I'm gonna hope that it's an int. If not, pain. Right, so if type left of item and type right item equals type int, then we process. We can just compare. So left side, the lower integer should come first. If right item is more than left item, then return false. Right. Elif. Right, so now the question is if both of them are lists. If both of them are lists, we can just proceed. If not, we need to convert both to a list. I don't know, one of them into a list. Equals type list and type right item equals type list. Sorry. Can I just do type list? I don't know. Let me open up a session here, yeah. Okay. Oh, sorry. Right. So I have to put this. Yeah, okay. Check both. I think I can just pass it down. Inner check equals check packet order, left item, right item. Why are you not happy? Int is compatible with packet. No, you should be a list. It should be fine. You shouldn't be int. It's packet, because packet can be this, or this. I'm gonna ignore. I'm surprised it's that if inner check equals false, return false. Else, so if left item Type left item is an int. Type int. Let's put 0. Can I do this? Okay. Then I want you to left item equals list left item. Why are you not happy? Fine. You happy? Then we can do that and right. Then we can do that. That copied. This is just an indentation. Then in that case, you can just check and return false if that's the case. Yeah, that should work. Oops, sorry. Right, so let's talk about the logic. So if the length of the left is no. Yeah, so the first thing we do to check first is the length of the left is more than the right, which is to be seen here. If the left side runs out of if the right side runs out of items first, the inputs are not in the right order. So no matter what, we can use that to get that out. Then we can check each. If it's ever a case where the left side runs out of items, let's say they need an n, it's true. This could be an issue. Would this be an issue? No, it's fine. I was thinking whether we issue if it's just like if you just have a space, but I don't think we have the case of just a space. The worst is this. This will run out of items first. So the right, this is right side. Wait, right first, right. The right side has more items. Wait, when the right side has more items. No, so this will be. This one will come. Where is it? So it will come here, and the length of less is 0. And this is 1 with 0, 0, 0. So you could return true. Yes, correct. Okay. Then we get left and right items and we isolate it to make it easier. Then if both of them are integers, if right item is less than left, if right item is more than left item, it will return false. If it's not both integers and both of them are list types. Oh, I think I know why. Right. Okay, I think I know why. The type shouldn't be. Okay, the thing is, if I put type. Okay, I know why it's upset. Now I know why it's upset. If it's upset because this is type list and not type packet. But I don't know if that will be okay. So for example, if I do that, packet equals type equals not iterable. Type object is not scriptable. It can. This Python, yeah. Okay, we have to use a union then. It's gonna be annoying. Right. Okay, we do a union then to see if we can. We can ignore it for now, but I think we should change it to a union to make it nice, and it will probably be angry once we try to pass it. Anyway, if it does, if both of them are lists, it will run this again with left item and right item. So it can do the check inside and do this kind of stuff. Great. And if it's not, so meaning one of the type is an int, it should be a list. Yeah, I'll convert it by just doing just like that and call it a day. And it should work. It could come here, actually. Yeah, it could come here. I take that back. It can come there because if both of them are the same length, it can definitely come here. So we just tried it. Let's return. Let's print AB and then print result, and we will do. I know I should be doing printf. I'm lazy. Check packet order. AB. Not left, right. That should print, and we'll see. All right. We got false here. False. True. Did we get inverted? I can't read things. So this is wrong, wrong, right. Got true here. Not in the right order. Right, anything involving length. Oh, this one got right. Let me put left. Because it's easier to read. Right, so the first one return false, and why did it return false? So this one, let's compare this one first, because this is obviously something that shouldn't happen. And let's debug that. So this one should be right. So what is our left item and right item? So if right item So if there's a left item, sure, it should be the opposite. Wait, what? Left item is tree. So it's false only if it's the opposite way. Wait, is that opposite way? No. If left item is bigger than right item, return false. Right. Okay, let's try it running it again then. This thing might be wrong then. No, it should be. This is the only comparison. Right? Yeah. Let's look at the new results. Run. True, that's a false still. That's right. That's wrong. That's correct. This is... Wait, I'm confused. Okay, I'm gonna print I as well, because I can't read. Let me clear that. So we can read things easily. I'm sorry. That was going to be a leg spike. So this is correct. This is wrong. This is wrong. 4 is in the right order. 5 is correct. 6 is correct. 7 is wrong. Yep. 8 is wrong. Okay, so the only one that's messy is 2. Where it says it's false. Okay, let's see why. So this should convert to 4. And then the length of left is... What? The length of left is bigger than the length of... Wait, what? Yeah, this one should compare the length of left. It's bigger than the length of right. Yeah, so this should be false. Why is that not? I'm confused. This is left, which is 3. This is 1. 3, 1. This is false. Right side ran out of items. Do we not bother checking? Am I missing something obvious? Right side is smaller. Yeah, it's not even bothering about size. It is comparing. But this one fails the right side runs out of items first. No, the right side didn't run out of items. No, it's correct, yeah. So this is not a valid check? That doesn't kind of... 9 versus 8. Yeah, wait, I'm confused. I'm looking at the wrong one, damn it. Okay. 2, 3, 4 versus 4. Left side is smaller. Oh, am I looking at the wrong thing? Sorry, I think I'm looking at the wrong thing. 2 versus 4. It was a list. Compare the first value, then move on somewhere on. I thought I could just shortcut it by just saying, hey. If the left side runs out of items first, that means it's 4 versus 5. If the right side runs out of items first, the right is 5, for example. The left is 4. That's not relevant. Then it's opposite. I'm freaking confused. This is gonna break everything though. That's true. That's true. That's false. Pair 4 is... Yeah, pair 4 is gonna fail. Yeah. think this check just is invalid. It sucks. Wait, this is also failing. Pain. Did I revert it? I'm confused. 3 is false. 4 is... No, this is something else, because this should convert. What? Right, because it's trying to compare this. And because of this... Okay, then we cannot use this. This doesn't work. Okay, fine. That's fine. What we do is, we just start comparing, and if it's just false, just change this. Okay. It's fine, whatever. So, high length. Peak length, it's biggest index. The largest index. The largest index will be length of right. If length of right is more than equals length of left, else length left. Okay. Largest index, okay. If I let more than equals length of right, then return false. That should work. Nope. Wait, maybe? Okay, I'm gonna, to make my sanity easier, I'm gonna put 1 true, 2 true, 3 false, 4 true, 5 is false, 6 is true. No, 6 is false. 7 is false. It is thinking it's Python and I don't want that text. 8 is false. I know false. Wait, 6 is true. I can't see. This is the problem. I can't read. 5 is false. 4 is true. 7, 8 false. Not true. Okay, false, false, true, false, true, false, false, false. Just this slimy thing. What's wrong with you? I don't get it. Okay, so this is easy. I'm gonna put if... What the frick? If index no equals to print stop. Okay, let's step in and compare it. Go in. Right, so first of all, we're getting the largest index, which in this case it's 2, right? Yeah, so it's gonna not have issues here. Nope. Nope. And we're gonna get left and right item. Left item, left item. And because they are both that, we are gonna do it in a check. And it should be true. Yep. So moving to the second item. 2, 3, 4 versus 4. Right item should become 4. And I'm gonna go in. So the largest index is 3. So we're comparing 2 to 4. This is 2. It's 4. So yeah. I don't get it. Left side ran out. Wait, so if left side runs out, it's in order. Okay. True, true, false. 4 is not false. 4 is oh, fuck. 1, 2. What? I'm missing something, and I'm really annoyed. Okay, the length of left. This means left side ran out of items. Right side ran out of items. Am I doing something wrong? Both of them are calling it correctly. Both is left side, right side, right? So if the I of this is equals to right, that means the right side has run out of items. When the right side has run out of items, when the left side has run out of items, it should return true. That's what I think. When the right side has run out of items, it should return false. So the left side is smaller. So the inputs are in the right order. So we don't care when it's inner, but we care when it's outer? I guess so. It's bizarre. Because we're comparing this to... No. So the only way I can think around this is that we add here is inner. Inner equals false. And that's a bool. No, the wrong way. Sorry. That is false by default. If not inner, okay. If inner, true. This one doesn't matter. False if inner. Right? No, if not inner. Else true. Then for this, Inner equals true. This is bizarre. In my opinion, it's bizarre. But okay. So that's true, that's true, that's false. That's true, that's false, that's true. 7 should be, it's true. God damn it. Then this is false. 7 is true because it's comparing to, it's, no, it should be false. This is 1 item versus 2 items. See, that's why I'm annoyed. Am I going crazy? Okay, I'm gonna read this. If both values are integers, low integers should come first. If both values are lists, compare the first value of each list, then the second value, and on and on. If the left list of items run out first, return true. Okay, if if the left list runs out of items first, then the inputs are in the right order. Okay. If the left side run out of items first, it's correct. If the right side run out of items first, oh, I see a thing. Well, if the right side run out of items, then the items are not in the right order. If the lists are the same length and no comparison makes addition. If the lists are the same length and no comparison makes a decision about the order, continue this same link. I don't know what this means. I'm kind of giving in the thought of giving up and checking the Reddit, because I don't know why this is so bizarre. This doesn't make sense to me. Maybe I'm crazy. Very, very confused. Okay. Right, I can't read any of this. Great. I need to decompose this. God damn it. It's instance A into false. Fine. Need to. I don't know how people program like that. I'm not so good. Oh, it's because they program. Yeah. What? Okay. I don't have that. Okay. Okay. If it's instance A, instance B, change is the did, return 0, return minus 1, return 1. Okay. If it's true or false, compare that, compare that to, okay, that's fair. If match case A, B, false, false, that means what's this? Match A, B. What are you trying to decompose? What's X? I guess that is smart enough to say that's decomposing the whole list and that we're calling it X. So if Y has more items left, if right side has more items, he's doing inner. So there's no weird like if inner true. Let's look at the comparison first, I guess. It's bizarre. I don't get it. Why don't I get it? Sorry, I'm kind of spacing out because I'm annoyed. I'm trying not to space out right now. If I arrange left, okay, this is define ordered. Okay. Evaluate. Wait, I'm so confused. If I divide it by 3 equals 1, a modulus 3 equals 1. Oh, okay, I get. Wait. Okay, sure, that's fine. Okay, so these are passed into here. Okay. And L and R are just good old strings. If I is more the length of right, I don't get it. Okay, if I is more the length of right, meaning left has more items. So if left has more items, I'm just gonna put comments so as I can understand it. If left has more items, it's a wrong order. This is what we have here. Okay, the less risk, less. Okay, so the right list items, yeah, not right order. Okay, right item, wrong order. Great. Type L is int, and type R is int. I'm curious. How the heck can we pass it this way if oh, we have eval. What the heck is eval? What's eval? Huh? Can eval? Okay, so that passes it. Okay, that's a passer. Okay, that makes more sense now. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just remove this. Okay, we compare left and right. If right side is okay, mine's different. Oh, because mine if gotcha, mine only wait, why does he return first? Eh? If he returns here. Oh, is it the moment we see a different number? Oh. Wait. Is it the moment we see a bigger number return true? This is funky. Let me double check. Okay, that's the instant. Right. Okay, so okay. Next, type left item. Right, we do a recursive call. I still don't understand why. I still haven't got this side right yet. Okay, let's assume this. Let's look at this. J. Let's remove inner. I guess that's stupid. Inner is stupid because nobody else is using it, meaning it's not required. What I don't get is, let's say J is 0. We'll just come to here and say this. If len left doesn't equal right, it means I'm coming here and saying if length of left equals length of right, return false. So let's say I change this to left, right? Like this guy's doing. If the length of my left side, and that means I don't need this anymore. Bye. Actually, I'm just comment it out in case I need it. If the length of the okay. So left side should always have less items. Right side should always have more. What? So if left side has, can I say left side has 9. Right side has 5. Okay. In this case, length of 9. So this will be return false. And then if it's left side 5, right side 9, return true. assuming everything is in order. I think the main thing is this. Oh no, I don't save it. Don't save it! And if the left side is 5, right side is 5, and the order continue checking the next part of the input. Sure. Wait, that's a good point. So if they're the same. We ran out of items in the left list. Yes. Oh, I see. Now I see. So if it's 0, continue to the next. Gotcha. Okay, that's annoying. Gotcha. I just didn't understand the question at hand, which sucks. Right, now I get it. Can I please? Thanks. -1. -1. I had something to double check later. Somebody turn 0 was okay, let's run it. Oh wait, this is a good. Oh, that's fine. Good enough. Okay. 1 is. That didn't work. Nope. Everything is just wrong. Pain. Pain. God, I wish I was smarter. Okay, so this should be true. Oh, because I didn't change that. Let's run it again. Why? If left item, if right item, this should automatically return a 1. Maybe this is causing it. What? This is bizarre. Huh? Okay, we can debug that because that's really weird. Skip, skip, skip. Wait, no, fudge. Restart. Three and 5. Last item. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay. Like why? Okay, let's see. True, true, false, true, false, true, false, false. Okay. So what happened is apparently we need to return. I didn't know this part. This part actually was fine, I think. No, it wasn't, because I need to check if... Yeah, but my understanding of it is wrong, basically. Because if it went through everything, and they're all the same, and they're the same length, we just move on to the next. I didn't know that part, or I didn't understand it. It's just understanding. Gosh dang it, that's kind of annoying. It's annoying that I can't understand things. That's annoying. Okay, I'm trying. It's alright. We got it. We got it in the end. That's all that matters. We need to help, but alright. So that just means. So this part, I didn't understand this. So the lists are the same length and no comparison makes a decision about the order. Then we check the next part of it. That one I didn't get. This part is basically this. Next one I didn't get is if the moment it changes, we need to revert it. So because of these two, it just wasn't working as far as I'm aware. Because I don't think the length will matter. No, actually it does, because if I did the highest index, what happens if I use a higher index? If you go to right and then it will just return true. Yeah, this check is a bit harder. You have to nest it in there. Yeah, it'll work, but it's not great. Right, let's look at match. I didn't know match is a thing. Is instant a int. Right, so this can be condensed to is instance blah blah. Match and case. I need to use match and case statements. Okay. Good to know. I need to understand match and case. Anyway, I'm not even done. Jeez, I'm 2.5 hours. Jeez. Okay, cool. Right. Okay. Then I need to what? Sum it, right? Sum plus equals I if result equals 1 else 0. Then print part 1 sum. I am going to murder people. It's crazy. Okay. But if result equals 1, sum plus equals I. See. Oh, that's why. Wait, no, it's fine. Why? Why you like this? 1, 2, 4, and 6. Right? 4 and 6. Oh, I'm an idiot. No, it's fine. Yeah. Great. Okay. I'm trying to be annoyed, but I am a bit because like I think I wish I could understand it properly and I didn't. And that's kind of annoying. Oh, that's gonna be okay. Yep. All right. At least you got the answer. You know, sometimes like yesterday we can get it, and I can get to the part where I'm very annoyed because I didn't get 2 days in a row without help. So that sucks. Right, it's fine. Okay, part 2. Now you need to put all the packets in the right order. Oh, jeez. Okay, disregard the blank lines. Okay. The distress signal process also requires that you include 2 additional divider packets. What? Oh, jeez. What? What? I'm confused. I'm so confused and I'm very annoyed. This is a test input. This is equivalent to 0 then? What is your weightage? Okay, this I get is empty. Okay. Oh gosh. The point you receive list of the receive packets as well the 2 divided packets into your card order. Okay. I'm gonna put this on the side so I can properly understand what the heck is happening. This one, nothing inside. This one has nothing out of nothing inside, okay? This one has nothing out of nothing out of nothing. This is what I don't get, okay? This is... Why is this less than this? Well, thankfully this is 1, -1, and 0. So technically we can just run everything through sorted and use that as a comparator. It should work. I don't understand the logic. Oh wait, I get it. Okay. This one and this one I get, obviously. This one and this one. This gets converted to this, so that's the same. Then this one gets converted to this, so the left side is... Left side runs out first. So left side runs out first, this one, right. So comparing 1 to that, and because left side ran out first, this is to the right. Gotcha, now I get it. To be fair, I got a bit of a hint because I saw other people, which sucks, but don't you have a comparator somewhere? This already... Yeah, so it should be there already. If I compare this returns this XY. I don't think it... Does it care about XY? I'm gonna look at someone else's code because I'm... Honestly... This one is only in part 1, I think. Okay, this guy I think did 2. Part 2. Yeah. So key to compare. Yeah, we can do that, I think. Oh, compare the key. What the frick is that? Oh, function 2. I know what that is. But... Okay. Right. Okay. Let me think how to do what I need to do for this. My input list needs to have everything. So what I'm gonna do too is I'm gonna remove this. I probably don't need it. Just 2. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a list called packets. Packets list equals list. Then I'm going to packets list. Wait, no. Packets list dot append left. Packets list dot append right. Okay, then for part 2, I want to first. Let me not look at other people's code. I don't want to look at them right now. Bam. We already have a comparator. Okay, I'm going to pee real quick. I'll be right back. But let me just finish this part. I want to try to understand things again. The indices of the 2 divider packets, I multiply them together. The first packet is at index 1. Is it? 10. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, it's 10. What? 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't count. So it's fine. Okay. The packets, I didn't know you can use this to find it. That index. I don't know. Okay. So this is what? First packet equals 2. Last packet equals 6. Next thing I want to do is packets this dot x. I didn't know extend is a thing, but it's fine. First packet, last packet. Next thing I want, I know it's kind of cheating because I see other people's stuff, but I don't feel bad anymore. Sort with key. So I need to make a comparator to key. The signature is not designed to use a key to the doctor to convert a compound function to a key function. Right, let me just look at sorted and keys. Python. Fine, we use this, whatever. You're going to give me an example of a key? Right, but this is still... Not what I'm looking for. There are no comparators anymore? What's the current way to do a comparator? Yeah, I know this. No, I don't overload things. In Python 2, in Python 3, the comparator is orientation, everything under the comparator key. Okay, second key is faster when count. Okay, when comparison. Right, okay. Right, so the issue is that we can't really, our comparator function only works for two things. It doesn't work for a whole list of items, so we can't do it that way. We can't use the key equals blank because that requires us to compute all of it at the same time, which we can't if we're doing one item versus another item. So we need to use this. Okay, I'm gonna pee first and I'll be right back. And I'm gonna change the dispersion, whatever. Okay, my sister's in the toilet. So, too bad. Okay. Whatever. Oops. What the heck? Huh? Okay, sure. Good Ellen. So this takes in check packet order. That should be good enough. Then print. I need to print that, and I'm gonna put it back to test input. Okay, run it. Reverse it. Yep. Now we just need to find the indexes. What did packet start? Find index of. Wait, can I not index of? Oh, index. Okay, index of first packet plus 1. Multiply, right? Multiply by sorted packets dot index last packet plus 1. But that also needs to be that because order of operations 140. Okay. Let me remove the result. What am I printing? Oh, that's my bad. U1756. That's that. Oh boy. So we didn't manage to finish this yet, but we got it. So the main issue is not understanding the question. That sucks, eh? When you don't understand the material, you don't get it. But today I also learned what I learned today. Dude, I'm dumb. No, just kidding. I didn't know you could do whatchamacallit. No, not enumerate. Not comparison. What the frick is it? Jeez, this guy is crazy. What is zip? Let's throw eval. Yeah, I didn't know eval was a thing. I learned today that eval, you just take everything and whoop, took it in. That's kind of cool. This guy used eval. This guy is crazy. And I mean that in the best way possible. Like he literally eval everything. And he did some I plus. Jeez, okay. Well, what's zip? What does zip do? Okay, it's not gonna tell me. Great. What's zip in Python? Sorry. Okay. Why? This is start to the end, but you do a step of 2. Oh, I get it. Yeah, makes sense. Wow, that is very tight. So this gets the, because in every, let me get the test input here. Every input here is the space. So what he did was that this is only taking the 0, 1, 2. I don't know why it's the other way, but only taking this 2. The first one does 0 and 1. Yeah, 0 and 1. He takes only 0 and 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. And if comparison, and he enumerates it. Why will you enumerate it? Does it pack it into a tuple or does it pack it into... Oh no. What happened? Oh, I just go back. Oh, it packs it. Oh, so that's even smarter. So it's 2 tuples. And that is xs, xy. And he's doing a comparison to check if it's -1. So he did the opposite. Oh, I guess that's so they can use this for sorting without doing a reverse. And does that. And then... yeah, that's really freaking smart. Yeah. Then I comp this. But yeah. That's smart. Okay, now I know what zip is. Today I learned. You know, you just learn things along the way. And you learn things by doing and reading other people's solutions. Then I also learned this is type is less. Yeah, I should do this, and also I think I cancelled his, but his is type of. Is it top off? Someone was doing type off or something. Where is it? Type is list. And there's also another one who did another thing. Oh yeah, he's doing pattern matching. Case it's instance. Yeah, it's instance. And matching case. So that's something I'll learn. Matching case. Use matching case in the futures. Right, but I'm gonna call it then. We did 2 hours again. This was not as hard. Oh well, it's the hard part is me being a dum-dum. Just realized this cap is so dirty. But the problem itself was okay. It was just me not understanding the question. That's of course. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, try to fix this computer. And I technically have to do like, what crap do I have to do today? I'm behind. I need to work on creating a cron job and writing notes for the book I'm reading. So that's a lot of stuff I need to complete. Great, it's fine. Everything is fine. it is fine generally. I just need to get things done. All right, thanks for watching. I'll have a good one. Have a good week ahead. It's a Monday. No, it's Tuesday. I haven't finished Monday's one. I'll do that. I don't know when I can do that. Honestly, it's a very busy week ahead. All right, I'll see you guys. Have a good week.